Yeah, so Akebulan's, this is a corn plantation which we planted with the intention of making feed to feed our bears. And then this 1.5 acre maize farm, it goes all the way down there. As you see, it goes all the way there. Everywhere is covered with maize. And then this is just the beginning. We intend to actually produce enough maize to formulate our own feed, so we can be rest assured where our bears are getting the quality feed from. We intend to have a hands-on and actual experience. We want to be from the starting to the end, so we can actually give out quality produce. We should know where our maize is coming from. In the area where I live, there's abundance of land, and land isn't a problem at all. So this is closer to my residence where I reside here in Afran Plains province. So we have this maize, and very soon we'll be harvesting. Next week I'll be applying some organic fertilizer which will actually boost the growth and then the yield as well, and also the shelf life. Yes, it's very important. We have 2 seasons in a year where I live. That's Ghana, and then this is the first season. Even though we didn't have the best of germination, but it's still better. It's still good anyway. So I just came here this mid-morning to actually see how far we've gone, and then this is it. So thank you all. I'll give you updates as and when necessary. Thank you.